Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever struggled with wobbly shelves, misaligned joints, or the frustration of trying to get perfect dowel placement without a template, you're not alone. Today, we're taking a close look at a tool that promises to make those issues a thing of the past, the Kreg Dowel Jig Kit, priced at $42. Now, unlike complex joinery systems or expensive machinery, this isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about doing one thing really well, helping woodworkers achieve strong, reliable, and repeatable dowel joints without guesswork. Whether you're assembling face frames, drawer sides, or edge-to-edge panels, precision matters, and this little jig claims to deliver it straight out of the box. In this review, we'll dive into how it performs in real-world builds, who it's best suited for, and whether it lives up to the reputation Kreg has built for practical, no-nonsense workshop solutions. Let's get into it. When I first started diving into more serious woodworking projects, things like cabinets, bookshelves, and face frame joinery, I quickly realized that my usual but joints and pocket screws weren't cutting it for the kind of clean, strong connections I wanted. That's when I picked up the Kreg Dowel Jig Kit, and honestly, it changed how I approach alignment and strength in my builds. This isn't some flashy power tool, but it's one of those quiet game changers. The beauty is in its simplicity. It's a no-measure doweling jig designed specifically for 3/4 and 1/2 stock, which covers a huge chunk of what most DIYers and even seasoned hobbyists work with. No fuss, no complicated adjustments, it clamps on, you drill, and you get consistent aligned holes every time. I've used it on both benchtop and workshop builds, and it saved me so much time in layout and alignment. Once you're dialed in, it practically runs itself. And for someone who values efficiency as much as strength in joints, that's gold. One thing I appreciate about this jig is how beginner-friendly it is, even for occasional woodworkers like myself. I'll admit my early attempts at doweling without a jig were messy, misaligned holes, wobbly joints, the whole deal. With this, though, I didn't need to watch a tutorial or dig through the manual. There isn't much of one, honestly. I clamped it on, used the removable drill guides, and every dowel slid in perfectly. There's a tactile, almost satisfying confidence in how the bushings line up. Some minor wobble, sure, but nothing that ruins the fit. I had one joint where the alignment was off by maybe 1/64th, but honestly, that could have been me rushing or not clamping perfectly square. The rest were spot on, and even that tiny variance didn't impact the strength. I've used it with both Kreg's dowels and cheaper third-party ones, and while the fit varies slightly, the results are consistently solid. It's one of those tools that just works. Now, let's talk versatility. The kit includes removable drill guides and supports multiple material thicknesses, but here's the catch. It's not adjustable at all. It's built for 3/4 and 1/2 stock, and that's it. If you're working with actual dimensional lumber, say 3/4 plywood that's really more like 23/32, your holes won't be dead center on the edge. That bugged me at first, especially since I take pride in clean craftsmanship. But in practice, it's not a deal breaker. For face frames, drawer boxes, and even cabinet carcasses, the joints are strong and precise enough that minor offset doesn't matter. The real value is in consistency, being able to replicate perfect alignment across multiple pieces without measuring a thing. If you're building something like a TV stand with multiple dowel joints, that consistency makes assembly a breeze. Still, I can't help but notice that this is where higher-end jigs like the Dowel Max shine. More adjustability, more precision. But then, again, those run over $200. For $42, this hits a sweet spot. I've tried cheaper dowel jigs before this one. Big mistake. They flexed, the bushings were sloppy, and I ended up with more unusable scrap than completed projects. The Kreg kit, on the other hand, has that signature Kreg build quality. Solid, reliable, and well-machined. It's not going to last 50 years and get passed down like a family heirloom. Let's be real, but for the price, it's built to last through dozens of projects. The clamping mechanism is simple but effective, and the removable guides make cleanup and storage easy. I store mine right in my Kreg tote, and it's always ready to go. It's especially useful when I'm working with hardwoods like poplar or oak, where alignment is critical and mistakes are costly. I've genuinely saved material, time, and frustration with this tool. One project that took me an extra hour with a previous jig, now it's done in half the time with cleaner results. If I had one criticism beyond the lack of adjustability, it's that the drill bushings have a bit more play than I'd prefer. You can see it in how the drill bit wiggles slightly when plunging. It doesn't ruin the precision, but it does explain why some dowels are a hair tighter than others. I've found that using brad point bits helps minimize tear out, and going slow ensures cleaner holes. But it's a limitation worth noting. This isn't a precision machine tool, it's a practical workshop aid. And on that front, it delivers. It's not going to replace biscuits or pocket screws for every application, but for certain joints, especially where you want invisible alignment or extra strength without visible fasteners, it's ideal. I've used it for corner joints on face frames and edge-to-edge panel glue-ups, and each time, the joint strength is excellent, with minimal sanding required. Overall, the Kreg Dowel Jig Kit has earned its spot in my go-to toolkit. It's not perfect, but it's effective, easy to use, and well priced for what it does. If you're like me, someone who builds occasionally values clean results and doesn't want to wrestle with complicated setups, this is a solid investment. You don't need years of experience to get good results, and the time savings alone are worth the $42. Just grab some quality dowels, Kreg's, or a budget-friendly third-party brand, and you're set. Sure, it's limited to standard thicknesses and lacks micro-adjustments, but for the vast majority of home workshop projects, that's not a deal breaker. It's the kind of tool that doesn't get a lot of attention until you realize how much smoother your builds have become. And really, isn't that the mark of a good tool? If your workshop's missing that precise edge alignment the Kreg Dowel Jig brings, don't just drift, drill down into better builds. Like this review? Tap that like and join the crew by subscribing. Let's lock in stronger joints and smarter tools together, one solid connection at a time.